I decided to call it an early day. I think clearly I'm having some kind of reaction to this bite. Jacket. Well, I decided to call it an early day. I think clearly I'm having some kind of reaction to this bite on the back of my wrist. On the back of my wrist. Everything's gotten itchy. And yeah, palms of my hands. Armpits. My ears got a little funky. I'm gonna go home, take some Benadryl, and see if that lessens the reaction. Oh, man, it's crazy. Keep this running a little bit. Pick it up on the other side. Stay Puft Marshmallow Hand. Alright, well that's the reaction so far. Alright, so I just got started in the spot where I was attacked not too long ago by the yellow jackets. I'm pretty sure that must have been what it is, because they just got stung again here on the back side of my wrist. And not that it was extremely painful or anything. I mean, I felt it for sure. It stung me right through the back of the glove. And then so I don't know what I'm going to do about it. I mean, if I can't work over there because of them, as much as I want to have a live and let live policy, they're going to have to go if they just keep randomly attacking out here. So, you know, push them out to an area where they can live and in an area we can live. It's fine with me, but this trail is going to go through whether they like it or not. And yeah, that's just going to be the case of it. So I think for this moment, instead of whacking away the ground, I'm going to go down here and get the wheelbarrow and go ahead and start moving some rocks from higher up to down low. And yeah, just find something different to do until I really think what I want to do. It wasn't a swarm. It was clearly an individual yellow jacket, but it could be that there is a hole somewhere nearby that where they are at. And yeah, just not going to put up with it. So that's that. They've definitely declared war again, and we'll see who wins. All right.